They say that if you get under a tree with shade, your life will be more blessed. Well, this is exactly where your life will be more blessed. For only $875,000, you can buy this premium 4.79 acres ocean view family legacy estate to build your dreams. Now, buying this lot will make you feel like if you're floating in the ocean. What you are about to see is unique and finite, which means there's no other. Yes, you can go through all the companies and there's no other property like this. This is Dominicalito Bay. This amazing estate is surrounded with a buffer of natural jungle that borders an amazing river with waterfall. So yes, you have river access, but more than river access, you can see whole Dominicalito Bay. The white water, you can see El Arbolito right there, and you can see La Parcela Point. My name is Spicy Life, and I am a Dominicalito Bay specialist. The only reason I'm here is because I want you to send me an email, call me, or just contact to Frequency, Energy, and Vibration to make your family dreams happy forever. This property is ready for development, and you can build here luxury homes. But more than luxury homes, the location and the purpose is luxury. Send me a message because this is a unique property that is available with us. $875,000 can buy you 5 acres with river sounds and blue ocean views. If you guys feel that this is your call, send me a message because like I say, there is no more properties like this. Doesn't matter how much you look because it's the beauty. It's limited inventory, and these properties are for special and unique people. This is not for everybody. This is the most beautiful estate in Costa Rica. Send me a message to start your dreams right now. We'll put this property under escrow, and once we close, we can start creating your canvas. This is the property that you buy to your son or your daughter for gift on college graduation. Let's create your luxury dreams with Spicy Life on unique properties because we are Dominicalito Bay specialists. Thank you, Spicy Life Global Family Community, for reaching all around the world. If you feel like blue is your color and you like walking distance to the beach, walking distance to the waterfall, this is it. Spicy Life, luxury, premium, ocean view estates in Dominicalito Bay with love and positivity for the world. Woohoo! And yes, like I say, this is the real luxury. You know, we love, Spicy Life loves luxury, top game, right? And we believe that properties like this can give you and your family, well, we don't believe, we know, we are the best in the universe, can give a total experience. And this is where I come from. I'm not only doing real estate, I've given my clients, family, energy. I have private clients as well. We are eagles. The eagles reach out to me. And imagine just being in your property, right? Luxury home, ocean view pool. I'm talking about top. Like we can create here a family compound with Balinese roof, amazing tiles, beautiful. And I'll make sure that if you want fresh seafood, they come and deliver to your door. If you want fresh harvest fruits, they come and deliver to your door because this is the real luxury. Check this out. This is from today.
I have a guarantee for you.
What?
This is the best 25,000 colones you ever spent in your whole life.
Wow.
You got a good guarantee?
Of course, this is a good guarantee if you buy this amazing ocean view property. I mean, like, look at this. This harvest from today?
Yeah.
Mmm.
It's been about 3 hours off the tree.
Mmm.
Premium.
Well, and premium. Premium.
Totalmente premium. That's what I like to hear. No, I do that.
By the way, this fruit will take all your sickness, all your worries. So buy this property. We are the spicy life.
Look at my tooth. That's the final thing to do.
Right?
My missing teeth. You need a box?
I need boxes.
I have 2 cardboard boxes.
Perfect.
We're running to see if we can get to the...
And remember, you guys would not be doing this kind of work. I am the fruit. I am the light.
Listen,
I am the fruit God.
watch out for that box.
I know.
Bottom is bad.
I'll be like, hey family, thank you for purchasing these amazing properties in Dominicalito Bay. This is a gift for you because I do more than real estate. You have me around. I can give you energy. I can give you happiness. And if you want to, I can connect you to the eternal life. That's separate, but working with me, I can explain you how. I already have done it. I have private clients, billionaires, millionaires, that they want it and they had it. It's my superpowers. Thank you, Spicy Like Loa Family Community.
No, leave it in the box and then bring the box back. That's gonna break.
It's okay, I got it.
Got it?
Yep, I got everything.